You know, then dropping in right here, it's gonna be tough. That ain't easy. We gotta figure out an easier spot than this, guys. All right, let me take my gear off, okay, guys? Let me see if we can find a spot to do it. Hey, there's my body armor. I never finished it. There's only a couple swallows left. Should be okay anyway. Okay, girl, good, good. Nice to see you too. Yeah, I don't know, man. Let me see if I can do it. I don't know if I can. See that we get a little bit of a hill there to get to the ramp.